It's the first hike of the year, and of course it's California, so it's always a beautiful day for a hike. We're at the northern end of the Del Valle Reservoir. Behind me there you can see the dam, but the hill behind me is the target for today, with a spectacular view down onto the reservoir itself. So let's go hike. So this is the hike that just doesn't give up on giving you amazing scenery. Once you crest the hill that we just climbed up, you then are faced with this. Not too shabby for a New Year's Day. Park, so there's always a bench to be found, and where you have a bench you have a view, and where you have a view you have tea. Happy New Year's, cheers. Following my videos will be very familiar with the scenery, but just for reference points, there's our good friend Diablo up there with Andy. Once again we're in the Livermore, Pleasanton, Dublin Valley, and then down here is probably one of the most picturesque veterans VA hospitals that you can possibly get. Well, as canyons go, this is pretty impressive. So, New Year's Day hike done at the Arroyo staging area of the Del Valle Reservoir, part of the East Bay Park system. As always, a great place to hike.